Here we can have the cut settings. So right now the automatic cut settings are 30 inches per minute, which is the feed rate. The feed rate is the speed of how fast it's cutting in the XY direction. The plunge rate is the speed that is cutting up and down on the Z axis. And then the depth per pass is how deep each pass you're cutting through is going to be. What I mean by that is when we cut out this shape here on the legs, it's not just going to cut all in one shot. You can make it cut all in one go, but to reduce the load on the bit and get a cleaner finish, you will generally take several smaller passes to get all the way through the material. It's kind of like shoveling snow. You wouldn't shovel like your whole driveway with one scoop. You would take lots of small scoops. It's kind of the same thing with the end mill. And like I said, these settings are very, very conservative. And so I'm going to show you our feet and speeds here, and they will give you some context on how fast you can run your machine. So we'll go to cutting tool, the resources, the cutting tools. Here's me being very handsome. And where's our cut feet and speeds? Isn't this amazing? You can also search. If I'm like, oh, I need to find the resources, I can just search them on the resources. Okay, feeds and speeds. You can read all about the feeds and speeds here. We also have these PDF tables, and these cover all the standard bits that we sell. So I'll just open up the ones that we're looking for here and look up the 1/8 inch flat end mill downcut, the 1/8 inch flat end mill DC. There's actually a reduced speed, a regular speed, and a full speed option. I'll actually use the regular speed option. So 85/43. Our recommended depth of cut step down is 0.616. And you can see here, now it's re-estimated the time that it's going to take from like 10 hours to less than 30 minutes. All right, so now we have the first 2 legs made, and I'm just going to show you guys how to set up the machine here and also export the G code.